When it comes to planting in gardens, landscaping or conservation efforts, one important consideration is whether to choose native plants or exotic plants. Both type of plants offers unique characteristics, but native plants are generally considered more beneficial to the ecosystem due to their adaptability, support for local wildlife, and role in maintaining ecological balance. While exotic plants can offer aesthetic diversity and ornamental value, they often pose risks to the environment when introduced outside their native habitats. Native plants are species that naturally grow in a particular region, having evolved to thrive in the local climate, soil, and conditions. These plants have developed over thousands of years alongside local wildlife, creating symbiotic relationships that contribute to a healthy and balanced ecosystem. One of the primary benefits of native plants is their ability to support local wildlife, including pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, as well as small mammals and birds. Many native plants produce nectar, pollen, and seeds that are essential food sources for these animals, helping to maintain biodiversity. Moreover, native plants tend to require less water, fewer pesticides, and less fertilizer, making them more sustainable and eco friendly. Their deep root systems also help prevent soil erosion, improve water retention, and protect water quality. Exotic plants, on the other hand, are species that are introduced to regions outside their native habitat. Either intentionally or accidentally, these plants can often be visually striking and offering new landscape possibilities. But they do not always integrate well with the local ecosystem. Many exotic plants are fast growing, which can lead to them outcompeting native species for resources such as light, water, and nutrients. This invasive behavior can result in the decline of native plants, which may struggle to survive with the presence of these aggressive species. As a result, exotic plants can disrupt the nature balance of ecosystem, leading to a loss of biodiversity and reduction in the availability of food and shelter for local wildlife. In some cases, exotic plants may also introduce new pests and diseases to the environment, which native plants and animals have not evolved to cope with. This can further harm the local ecosystem, causing long term damage to plant communities and wildlife populations. For example, invasive exotic species like kudzu or purple loosestrife have caused significant damage to ecosystems in the United States by outcompeting native plants and disrupting habitats. Despite these challenges, exotic plants can still serve a purpose in certain situations. They can provide ornamental beauty, shade, or serve as ground cover in areas where native plants may not thrive. Additionally, some exotic plants may be beneficial in regions where their introduction does not negatively impact the local ecosystem. I hope that you like this video. Please give us a like and subscribe our channel.